Hey everyone! In this video I will show you how to create a Windows 11 recovery drive, and how to use it to restore your PC or to install Windows into another computer. A recovery drive is a bootable USB that helps you troubleshoot and restore Windows 11 when it won't boot. You can also use it to install a fresh copy of Windows or deploy updated Windows to multiple PCs without having to install all the updates again on each one. You will need a USB drive with at least 16 GB of storage, but 32 GB is recommended. Let's get started. First, if you have third-party antivirus software, disable it temporarily to prevent interference. Plug in your USB drive. Type recovery drive in the search box and click create a recovery drive from the results. Check the box that says backup system files to the recovery drive. This is important because it allows you to reinstall Windows 11 if needed. Click next. Select your USB drive from the list and click next. Click create to confirm. Remember, everything on the USB drive will be deleted, so back up any important files first. The process will take several minutes to hours depending on your system. Windows is now copying recovery tools and system files to your USB drive. Wait until you see the recovery drive is ready. Click Finish. To test your recovery drive, hold Shift and click Restart. Click Use a Device option and then select EFI USB device. If the Recover from a Drive option appears, it's working. If not, recreate the drive with your antivirus and BitLocker disabled. When your PC has problems and won't start, plug in your recovery USB drive and power on your computer. Press F12 or Escape key immediately and repeatedly to access the boot menu, depending on your PC manufacturer. Select your USB recovery drive and press Enter. For detailed steps on booting from USB, watch the video linked in the description. First, select your keyboard layout. If you just want to fix startup problems, click Troubleshoot and choose the appropriate recovery option from the list. But if you want to completely reinstall Windows 11 from scratch, select Recover from a drive. Then choose either Just remove my files for a quick recovery, or Fully clean the drive for a more secure option. Click Recover and your PC will restart and begin reinstalling Windows 11. Now here's the important part. This process will completely erase your entire drive, including all partitions, files, apps, and personal data. So make sure you have a backup of your important files before proceeding. To bypass password and internet, press Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt and type the shown command. Type your desired username, leave the password fields completely blank, and hit Next to finish setup without password and without internet connection. Now, what if you want to install Windows 11 on a different computer using your recovery drive? For this, you need to generalize your Windows image first using the Sysprep tool. This removes computer-specific drivers and identifiers like the security ID, so the image can work on any PC. To do this, open Command Prompt as administrator and paste this command. Check the Generalize option and then select Enter System Audit Mode. Then click OK. If you get an error saying Sysprep was not able to validate your Windows installation, don't worry. Just run this command first. Execute this command to monitor the decryption progress. Once decryption is fully complete, run Sysprep again. Your PC will now reboot into audit mode. Once your computer boots into audit mode, create the recovery drive as I showed you earlier in this video. Now, go to the second computer, plug in the USB, and boot from it. Select Recover from a drive to start the installation. If you encounter an error saying unable to recover your PC, the system drive is too small, here's how to fix it. Click Cancel, then select Troubleshoot. Choose Command Prompt. Execute the shown commands. Check your disk size and then execute Exit command. Type Notepad and press Enter. From the File menu, click Open. Navigate to your recovery USB drive and open the Sources folder. Change files of type to all files. Now open the file called pbr_resetconfig.xml. Change the min size value to a number smaller than your disk size. Save and close the notepad and command prompt. Now try Recover from a drive again. A fresh copy of Windows 11 will be installed on your new computer. And that's it. You now know how to create a Windows 11 recovery drive and restore your PC. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Drop questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.